What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, as I talked about in one of my previous videos, I talked about the fact that XRP is doing so much right now because of the freedom with what's happened with Ripple, right? It's not necessarily true freedom because we know of what could come and we're waiting for kind of that ultimate, like, we're going to put the hammer down type of situation. And we don't have that right now. But what we are dealing with is the area to where we can say, all right, we do have a little bit of freedom to kind of approach others and create these partnerships. For the last 4 years, Ripple has been kind of pigeonholed by the litigation that's been going on. And while it's still kind of looming over their head, it's not necessarily as prevalent as it was before or as kind of strong as it was before. So, with that being said, that opens up those doors for some of these partnerships that truly wanted to work with them, but they were like, I don't know. We got some litigation that's going on. We want to make sure that everything's clear there. And if it's not clear, then we need to figure something out here, right? So now we have another big partnership. Now I'll say it's big. Is it the biggest thing for XRP or for Ripple? No, it's not the biggest thing for them. But I feel like, you know how like you walk down the street and if you find, you know, one quarter, you're like, oh, this is great. However, if you find a trail of quarters, it's even better. If you find many different quarters in many different places, you now can have all of that add up. Or let's say you go to the grocery store, right? On more of a negative side of things. You buy something that costs $1, another thing that costs $2 and $3 and $1 and $5, and you're like, this doesn't add up to anything. But then you finally get down to the actual subtotal, and it's like $100, $200, and you're like, I didn't even know it was going to cost that much. It's because all of it does add up. It all builds up to a bigger goal, which you will have here with Ripple and the many partnerships or many forms of adoption that you do see that are there that will lead to a lot bigger adoption, which will also, kind of clump itself together to have many different partnerships lined up and be everywhere. That's all you need, right? When I was watching the Facebook movie, and I know this is getting off topic, I was watching the Facebook movie and they were talking about going city to city to city and all of that. And they were saying how they needed to be worldwide, they needed to be everywhere. And he was like, no, let's just take it one step at a time. It looks like we're baby stepping. It looks like we're not doing much, but in reality, we're gathering millions upon millions of people, right? And lo and behold, they get to 100 million users and all of that, and the rest is history, right? Um, so with this, honestly, it's huge to me. You can say it's not. Maybe you do. Maybe you say it's great. But I think it's big. The little partnerships matter so much. But make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about my links for Margex. That link will be down in the description where you can start trading up to 100x leverage on Bitcoin, on BNB, on Ethereum. You can trade 50x leverage on XRP if you want to. Also, 5x leverage. So you can go from 100x to 5x. You can play around and see if you're good at leverage trading because it's not really that expensive to go through certain trades. Feel free to check it out. It's at the top of the description. But XRP right now stands at about 57 cents. We did mention this in our previous video, but it's had a $32 billion market cap with $1.2 billion worth of volume. And if we look at the last 7 days, it's up by 13%. The last month up by 5%. In the last year, it's actually down by about 9%. So it hasn't really seen a major uptick in the win that we've had with Ripple. However, like I said, it's not really a true win until we get full clarity and, full freedom in a way. But right now with kind of the freedom of litigation, still having maybe an appeal looming over their head, with the freedom of that litigation, you now open a lot of doors for partnerships like Ripple and SBI. So Ripple and SBI Digital Community partner to advance Web3 with XRP Ledger. So SBI Digital Community Co. LDT announced on Tuesday a strategic partnership with Ripple Labs Inc. aimed at promoting the use of XRP Ledger within the Web3 community. SBI Digital Community, a subsidiary of the larger SBI Group, a prominent financial services conglomerate based in Japan, is focused on promoting and expanding the use of Web3 technologies. Under the leadership of President and CEO, the Tokyo-based SBI Digital Community will leverage XRP's or Ripple XRP's ledger, a layer one public chain or blockchain known for its speed, cost efficiency, and sustainability to enhance Web3 services. This collaboration aims to expand the use of XRP ledger through SBI's BTO3 Web3 community with a focus on increasing user interaction with the blockchain and advancing its adoption. So SBI Digital Community added that under this partnership, BTO3 will issue NFTs, non-fungible tokens, on the XRP ledger and will provide support users on how to purchase and trade NFTs on XRP Ledger. The Japan firm noted as an issuing platform for NFTs on XRP Ledger, we will use XRP CAF or CAF and marketplace that specializes in the distribution and buying and selling of NFTs issued on XRP Ledger, the firm continued. So again, this is not the biggest move in the world, right? This is huge for Ripple in general because the more partnerships, the more connections that you do have, the more that you're kind of playing catch up here. Because Solana is as big as it is because of the litigation that happened with XRP. BNB also, obviously, BNB will be big because of Binance, but it has no true affiliation there with Binance. It's just big because of its use. And you see on chain with many different cryptocurrencies there and being that form of payment that is there as well. XRP could have been so much bigger with more adoption, more creation. It's just now starting to catch up to everything that kind of exploded and added all the things that they added in 2021. 2020 to 2021, but XRP and Ripple were being sued at those times, right? And throughout all of this time, it's like, do you want to partner with this company that's actively in a lawsuit? Most likely not. If you have so many, for me, I would say yes, because I understand what XRP would be, but you still have you're risking your millions of dollars potentially, your own business potentially, in order to partner with somebody or some business that has that's actively involved in litigation, actively involved in being sued by the SEC. It's not a good look for Ripple. But once you have that freedom, you now have this clarity to create more and more utility, more and more things. Now, this is not the biggest partnership. If you come out and say, oh, Ripple is now partnering with, I don't know, they're already with Santander. You're talking about PNC, they're already with them. But if they come out and say they're partnering with some huge bank to implement their payment option for a standard process, then absolutely, that's a huge deal. But these little micro wins are big for the overall bigger picture, in my opinion. So I want to know what you guys think about this. Is this something that deserves to be in the light, to be out there for you guys to know, for everybody to know? I feel like it is because, I mean, it's a partnership. Partnerships with Ripple, partnership with the XRP Ledger is a big deal. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. And don't forget about Margex. If you guys want to start trading XRP, you can literally trade XRP right now if you wanted to and take $1 and trade it. You could trade with $50. You could trade at a 5x leverage, also at a 50x leverage. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.